Hey trophies, I got two big announcements to make. Announcement one, BCAN with Fed Fitness is running a 30% off sale. So their BT4 rebounders that come in 40-inch and 38-inch. This one here is the BT4 40-inch. This rebounder is $250 instead of $360. That's $110 off. I love this rebounder. And then it comes in the 38-inch as well that is discounted down to $210 from $250, I'm pretty sure. And so massive savings on the 38-inch as well if you want a rebounder that fits into smaller spaces, okay? They even have a super budget-friendly rebounder, the BT2, that comes in 40-inch and 48-inch. I personally like the 40-inch better. And right now it is $100, maybe like $110. It's like right there because they're having a 30% off sale until the end of July in 2026. So if this is your first rebounder, scoop up the BT4 40-inch, my personal favorite, or the BT2 40-inch, the same exact rebounder that my Aunt Gail is on, 72 years old, $100. That one does require assembly though. So know that you're gonna have to put it together, but once you do, you'll have your rebounder for $100. This one here comes assembled, super easy rolled. The 38-inch one is $210. So if you want the smaller one, you can save money. If you want the 40-inch, $250. With code I jump instead. Okay, next big announcement is that Trophy Jeff, my boyfriend, is going to start releasing 7-minute Fed Fitness series workouts because he's going to be on this 40-inch BCAN BT4. We're calling them the Fed Fit 7 series. We're gonna do a stretch series, we're gonna do a strength series, and we're gonna do a sweat series, all here at I Jump Instead YouTube for free, of course. So subscribe to our channel, be on the lookout for those 7-minute Fed Fitness series workouts by Trophy Jeff, and make sure that you come prepared with your 40-inch BT4 or your 38-inch BT4 or your $100 BT2, and then get into the best shape of your life. And make sure that you keep up with your bungees because you do get the black bungees, which are softer, and the green bungees, which are firmer. And as you use your BCAN, BT2 or BT4, you're going to need to keep up with the strength of your bungees as they start to get worn. So then you're gonna start adding green bungees, okay? And eventually you're gonna have all your green bungees on there. And once those then start to feel a little bit soft, you're gonna need to replace them, but that could be months and months and months and months ahead, okay? You need to get started. And I'm recommending to you my favorite, this 40-inch BT4 for $250. Not the lowest cost, but definitely not up in the higher price range where rebounders can go, all the way up to over $1,100, okay? $250 for this bad boy right here. Look at this stability. Right? Super stable. Okay, trophies? Scoop up a rebounder before the end of the month and get your 30% off with code I Jump Instead, and then subscribe to our channel so you can jump into our 7-minute Fed Fitness workout series, Stretch, Strength, and Sweat by Trophy Jeff. Can't wait to see you in class. Take care. Lots of love. Mwah. Bye-bye.